Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be having a look at the HyperX white putting keycaps that's going on to my Ducky 1-2 TKL with Cherry MX Brown switches. Alrighty, let's open this thing up and see what we got inside. This knife sucks. Okay, so we have a diagram of the keyboard. Mine obviously doesn't have the number keys, so those are all going to be extras. Vacuum sealed packets, and they're pretty much lined up like this. So I think yeah, so half of this I'm not going to need because of the number keys, but let's get the rest opened up. And boom. Okay, so we got the keyboard off. I got all the keys that I need laid out in front of me here. We have a bowl of hot water with some dish soap just to clean out my old keys. And guys, please be patient with me. This is my first time ever changing keys on any keyboard. What we're going to do, I'm just going to fast forward, enjoy the music, and we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, and there we go. All the keys are off. I do want to just clean it out a little bit before we put the new keycaps on. It is a little dirty. I don't know how well the camera can pick up on it. But I was thinking of keeping the spacebar black just because Ducky has this special Year of the Pig design on it. And I think it's pretty cool. Okay, the keyboard is cleaned and ready to go. Let's go ahead and put the white keycaps on, and after we do that, we'll plug it in, see how the RGBs look, and do a quick type test and see if we can hear or feel any differences between the keys. Okay, here we go. So we got all the white keycaps on it, and the reason why I didn't put the escape key is I actually got a custom escape keycap. I'll show you guys here. It's a 3D printed crystal. So let's pop this on. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Let's plug her in and see how everything looks. And for first impression, it looks absolutely sensational. You can see so much more of the light coming in through the side and top. Wow, I'm really excited for this. And I do like the black spacebar on this, so I think I'm gonna keep that for now. And the crystal definitely adds a little quirk to the overall look of the keyboard. Okay, now let's check out the different LED lighting modes that come with the Ducky keyboard. But I'm just gonna go through them very quickly. This is with the backlighting completely off. The first mode we have is wave. And as you can see, the colors really show up very well on the side, which I love, and I think makes the biggest difference between what I had before and these new putting keycaps. The second one we have is alpha. And then Tetris. Next, we have the basic color cycling mode. And then my favorite one, the raindrop. Circle ripple. Reactive. Aurora. Breathing. And finally, full backlight. Okay, so we'll finish this off by doing a quick type test between the original Ducky keycaps and these new HyperX keycaps. I personally couldn't really hear a difference between the two, but let me know if you guys did. Before we go into that though, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support. It means a lot to me. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or if you want to see more of me and my shenanigans, you can come check me out on Twitch. I'm usually live every weekday from 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time until who knows when. It's always a surprise. But I hope you guys have a great day, week, month, year, whatever it is. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.